Greg here from Mountain Cleaning Services. Just doing a little window cleaning. Check us out. Rolling here. Go.
I'm here with Moonwalker Cleaner right now. Right now we got our Moonwalker screen cleaner. It's really good conditions of screen. You know what they say, if you want it look good and done right, you treat it like it's an eyeliner, like a woman would treat an eyeliner. The way she wants to look good, and you want to treat that woman right. So all we're gonna do is spray it on here. Take a dry clean rag. Give it a good wipe down.
And just to let you know beforehand, he had pressure washed it, and he also took a rag and beat the screen. It takes all the dust out. See how it's looking like new?
We'll do a little comparison here. You got an old one, still's got dust in it. I gotta beat it off and clean it. And you got pretty much looks like a brand new screen. You know, we're here at Moonwalker. We're here to provide a luxury cleaning service for our customers. We care about our customers and we treat it like it's our own home.